the SAM R model of technology integration, what does the R stand for? Would this be letter A, replacement, letter B, redefinition, letter C, reinforcement, or letter D, replication? The right choice here is letter B, redefinition. Una-una, substitution. Your example here, no, a teacher directs the students to use Google Earth to locate a place instead of using an atlas. Pero essentially, yung function ng dalawang bagay na yan, no, function ng technology at yung function ng traditional na gamit natin inside the classroom would still be the same. Sa augmentation naman po, there is some functional improvement. So meron ng enhancement, kumbaga, no, meron ng improvement, okay? Mas maiging gumamit tayo ng Google Earth because it might be more accurate, no, than just by using calipers or just by estimation. The next one is modification. Meron ka ng pagre-redesign o redisenyo ng ating pong project or task. Meron ng pagbabago sa ating pong project or task, and so we call this modification. And of course, lastly, you have redefinition. Its ultimate goal is to allow for creation of new tasks and projects. Kung wala yung tool natin, kung wala yung technology natin, inconceivable yung ating pong project or yung ating task kung walang technology.